So, yes, I just received my first $7 from Facebook. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. And so, with that being said, I had to go check my insights. Okay. These are your analytics of your Facebook data. Okay. It shows you who's watching, how much you're earning, who's been engaged, and who your audience is. So I go to my insights and see that I have sparked the interest of some folks. I went from 1,000, I went to 14, I went from 1,400 views on December 19th to 19,000 views by December 20th. And as of now, altogether, I have 47,000 views. Oh, grr. Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you. So within that 24 hours, I did something to spark the interest of thousands of people. Okay. Um, well, something else I did notice. Hold up. Was my engagement. And I hate to break this to you all. This is something you guys might need to do. Go to monetization on your professional dashboard. Go to content monetization, go to your settings, your ad settings, and make sure that you have allow ads to be shown on your public content. As that, I hate to be the bearer of bad news. Well, actually, I don't really mind. But all those engage, we get paid here groups, those Facebook groups, that's all they keep screaming. Half of them are not even monetized. Okay. Do you want to know how to find out which groups are monetized? Go check out your insights. This is your Facebook data. It shows you who's watching, where they're watching from, what they're watching on, blase, blase, blase. Okay, maybe not what they're watching on. That's YouTube. But Facebook, only YouTube does that. But Facebook definitely gives you the scoop if you go for looking, you know what they say, if you go looking for something, you'll find it, right? I'm trying to find out if all these Facebook groups are really getting paid to engage. And guess what? Out of 75 Facebook groups I'm in, only 2 of them are monetized. Are actually getting only 2 of them are actually getting paid for engagement. Stay woke, my friends. So I got paid for the engagement club. Not much, but 2 cents. 550 views. Okay, 62 engagement. There is another one. On my page, I got paid 45 cents. So I made a post on my page. Alone, it got 45 cents, 275 engagement, and 1,500 views. When I posted it into a one group, this group, I got a 9,000 views, 1,000 and 1,100 engagement. Did not receive any money. So that group is not, you're not getting paid to engage in that group, clearly. Because the same amount on this other group that I posted in, as you can see, I have almost the exact same amount of views and engagement but I only received money for one group. So not every group is getting paid to engage. Know when you get manipulated and somebody trying to talk you out your draws, okay? Because some people may be getting paid for their engagement, but your engagement necessarily isn't going to benefit if that specific group is not getting paid, if you're not getting paid. Okay? Go play around in that professional dashboard, get familiar with it, know what's working for your audience and what's not. Know that if you're wasting time in a group, in a community that's not supporting you or that's not benefiting you, know when to leave, okay? Just like that nigga who used to beat on you, leave. I'm just playing. But for real. Know when enough is enough. Know when enough is enough. Know when somebody's trying to talk you about your draws and when you're getting manipulated. But not only that, know when you're wasting your time. In a Facebook group that keeps screaming, we get paid to engage. And come to find out, all that engagement led me to 0 cents, $0 and 0 cents. Not every Facebook group gets paid to engage. Check out your Facebook insights. These are your analytics, the data from your Facebook algorithm and feed. This is the data from your interactions on Facebook. I just discovered that out of all the engagement I've been doing within the 75 Facebook groups I'm in, only 2 Facebook groups are actually getting paid to engage. So basically, I've been wasting all my time. I wouldn't even say that. I take that back. Because actually the amount of people I was able to reach by posting the same status from my page into a Facebook group. So when I posted a specific status to my page, just my page, I only received 1,500 views. But when I posted that same status into a Facebook group, I received 9,000 views. And not only that Facebook group was getting paid to engage. So I also received money from engaging within that group. Okay. So there are pros and cons to being in Facebook groups. Okay. You can reach more people, but you might not be getting paid for it. But if people find your profile, it's what they want to see. Your niche or the things that you talk about is exactly the things that they are interested in, then they're going to engage with your profile. You don't need to beg. You don't have to beg for followers. Why would I follow you and you're not even talking about things that I'm interested in? Okay? Your content may not be valuable to everybody. You're not for everybody. Let Facebook algorithm do the work. You just make the content and check them insights. Okay. I posted the same status multiple times, just in different places. So I started off posting on my page originally. I only reached 1,500 people. Okay. But I did receive money for making that post. I posted it to another group, received 9,000 views and 1,100 engagements. Didn't receive nothing. I posted the same exact content into another group that actually gets paid to engage. Okay? So this Facebook group actually does get paid to engage. And I posted in that group and I got 9,000 views, almost the exact same amount as the last group that I did not get paid in. Okay. So 9,000 views and 1,100 engagements. I received 29 cents. It's not much, but it goes to show you that this Facebook group is actually getting paid to engage. The other one's not. Now, Is it, should I unfollow this Facebook group, leave this Facebook group? Is it beneficial for me to stay and continue posting into this Facebook group? Yes. Why? You're not getting no money. Well, that's fine, but you still have reached 8,000 more people by posting in this group than you would have if you did not post in this group. Regardless if you're getting paid, if within this group you found, let me see, you found just one follower without asking anybody to follow you. That person followed you on their own because your content, your niche, the things that you talk about are what they are actually interested in. They're going to engage with your profile. If your profile is making money, that does benefit you in the long run. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, you definitely need to be in Facebook groups. Maybe not 75 like me, because all 70 within all the Facebook groups I've been posting in, I've only been paid to engage in 2 of the Facebook groups. So, like I said, these statuses alone is what helped me reach over 10,000 people in 24 hours. Okay? So, like I said, there are pros and cons to being in Facebook groups. Spend your time wisely and make sure what you're spending your time on is valuable and beneficial to you and what you got going on. Okay? This is the last week of 2025. Get it together. All of us.